Why do some people earn six figures, yet still live paycheck to paycheck? It isn't usually a lack of income. It's a series of financial mistakes that quietly drain wealth year after year. The uncomfortable truth is this: becoming wealthy is often less about making more money, and more about avoiding the habits that keep people poor. Here are the 10 biggest financial mistakes that separate struggling earners from financially free people. 1. Lifestyle inflation. The moment your salary increases, your spending rises. With it, bigger house, newer car, luxury subscriptions. Wealthy people often increase investments before they increase lifestyle. 2. Depending on one income. One paycheck is a fragile strategy. Multiple income streams, investments, digital businesses, royalties, or side ventures create financial resilience. 3. Buying liabilities like assets. A luxury car may look successful, but if it loses value every month, it's costing you wealth, not creating it. True assets generate income. 4. Ignoring compound growth. Every year you delay investing, compound interest loses its greatest advantage, time. Starting early often beats investing larger amounts later. 5. Living on credit. Credit cards can be powerful tools, but carrying expensive debt turns future income into today's bills. Interest quietly steals financial freedom. 6. Never learning about money. Most schools teach algebra. Very few teach investing, taxes, or wealth building. Financial education is one of the highest return investments you'll ever make. 7. Saving without investing. Saving protects money. Investing grows it. Inflation slowly reduces purchasing power, meaning idle cash becomes less valuable over time. 8. Chasing status instead of freedom. Designer brands impress strangers. Financial independence changes your life. Millionaires often prioritize ownership over appearance. 9. Having no emergency fund. Unexpected expenses don't create financial problems. They expose them. A solid emergency fund prevents small setbacks from becoming financial disasters. 10. Waiting for the perfect time. Markets change. Economies fluctuate. Opportunities come and go. But perfection is expensive. Consistency has historically created far more wealth than perfect timing. Here's the biggest lesson: wealth is built through decisions, not dramatic moments. Avoid these 10 mistakes consistently, and your financial future can look completely different 5 or 10 years from now. Which mistake do you think holds back the most people? Number 3, 5, or 10? Drop your answer in the comments. And subscribe for more evidence-based wealth and success documentaries.